hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back to unboxing Nomakenolife, a Japanese and Korean beauty box subscription. Now, I did pause my subscription for November. I actually thought I paused it permanently, but turns out I just skipped a month, so lo and behold, we have December. I will say I do think this is my last Nomakenolife box. Nothing to do negative with the brand. I love it. I just find that I don't really use a lot of the items in here, even though they're great. I don't really need them, and I'm trying to dwindle down my current makeup collection. So for now, this will be the last one, but what a box to end on. December, end of the year, so let us dive in. Ooh, okay, we're getting some unique things right away. This is what it looks like inside. Now, if you don't know, you get 8 to 9 items, including one tool, and then every box has one face mask and usually another kind of mask. The first thing I'm gonna take out, we haven't gotten something like this in a little while, and it's just a little makeup bag. So here I have the Poison Apple one. I'm assuming it's somewhat Disney themed, and the theme is Christmas Queen, so maybe Poison Apple, Snow White, Princess, Evil Queen, perhaps. So you have the option of this and another one that just has a heart on it. Dark Fantasy Cosmetic Pouch. It's cute. It's pretty decent quality. Do I need another makeup bag? Maybe not. However, it is really cute and I could see myself gifting this to someone. The next item I have to take out because I just can't avoid it, and I've never seen anything like this in any subscription box. Like, what on earth? This is the Easy Clip Hair Arranger. Christmas in Japan is a night for an updo. That means you'll need some solid hair styling. This has a firm hold clip so you can effortlessly style this hair. So with your hair dryer, whether you have curly or straight hair, basically it has a little clippy on the side and it attaches to your hair and makes sure you kind of, why am I holding all these stuff when I'm doing it? Can blow dry your hair out, or with the clip curve it and do a blowout basically. That's super cool and unique. I've never seen anything like this in any beauty subscription box I've had before, so I'm actually really excited to have that and try that. Next, let's take out the 2 monthly masks. So the first one is a face mask. This is the NMF Aqua Ring Metaheal mask, and it looks like it has some medical ingredients tested by using beauty principles through specialists. Cool. Really nice face mask. I don't really have much to say here. Yeah, it gives moisture, softness, viability, etc. So it's a little bit more, we'll call it, on the medical technical healing side of face mask, but still really happy to have that. And the second mask, not a huge fan right off the bat, just simply because it's a lip mask. I'm not crazy about these. I've said it before. I feel like I plop them on my lips and then I awkwardly just have to like sit there like that cat. So okay, this is by Coco Star, Pearl, Soften, and Brighten Dull Lip. So, I mean, it's probably good for the winter. I might take this on the plane when I go traveling soon. The fifth item, let's take out this guy. And here is the Crayon Lip Tint. So we get 3 colors. There's cherry red, strawberry red, or coral red. I would say more maybe strawberry red for me. But it's a cute little lip tint pencil. I'm not going to take it out. I'm probably going to gift this. It's adorable. I'm sure it goes quite nicely on the lips. Really cute packaging. Will be great for a gift for someone. Next, this one's been rolling around, so I'm going to take it out. And here we have by the brand Dodo, which we've received a lot in these boxes. And this is the multi glitter, and I got this gorgeous blue. For sure, I think I'm going to keep this. There were 3 colors: Universal Pink, Starlight Clear, and Aqua Moon. This is obviously Aqua Moon, and it's just a sparkle liquid-based glitter, safe to use on eyes, lips, and even your hair, which is really handy, especially Christmas time, holidays. It's always gonna be fun. I'm actually gonna open it right away because I know I'm gonna keep it. Oh, it's like a little plastic spatula. That's cool. That's cute. We'll see as I continue with the video how it dries down. It's a little bit tacky, but it's definitely there. That'll be so cute on the eyes and in the hair. Happy with that. All right, 2 items left. Let's take out the designer one. Here we have the Crystal Single Shadow by Tony Moly. So obviously Tony Moly is a really popular brand, and this is the sub collection of denim. There were 5 different colors here: Piggy Pink, Indigo Blue, Twinkle Jean, Radish Jean, and Rode Beige. And it doesn't say the name, but I'm assuming I'm Radish. And I am going to gift this as well, but I just wanted to take it out so you can see the packaging. It's just this little itty bitty eyeshadow here. It's really cute, and they have a jean pocket imprint on the inside, which you can see here. So yeah, I mean, I just don't need it. So I'm going to gift that too, but Really cute packaging. I like the box. The color's really nice, and Tony Moly is a really great brand. And last, but hopefully not least, we get this lovely colorful square. And this is by Dodo again, and it's the 4-color cheek palette. So the other one looks like it was primarily pinks and reds and blushes, and I, for some reason, get yellow and orange in mine. I'm assuming it's a blush highlighting duo. You can see the 4 colors here. I have yellow, red, orange, and pink. Again, I'm sure it's really nice, but it's just not quite my cup of tea. So this is something that I will be gifting to someone else, but I do really like the brand, and overall, I'm a fan of this item. Yeah, it's nice to get a cheek palette. So, what do I think about the month of December? Honestly, it's a really good box, a great month to end it on. My favorites were the hairbrush situation thing and the hand glitter. I think that's quite cool, especially with the applicator. Overall, I think you can see from here what I mean about not really needing these items. I don't really use that much highlighter or more out there colors for my face day to day. I don't need another makeup bag. It's just the world we live in now. There's so much makeup, so much accessible makeup that our collections are beyond, and this is just kind of adding to it and a little bit wasteful, I would think. So I'm gonna gift most of these items to people I know, pass them along. But that being said, really great products. Everything I've ever gotten in Nomakenolife has honestly been quite excellent. There might have been 1 or 2 duds, but that's it. So I do still wholeheartedly recommend it. It is a bit on the pricier side for shipping, but you get it ASAP. You get it before the month starts. So in that regard, it's really great. It's just no longer for me, but it was a really fun year with Nomakenolife, and I regret nothing. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 8,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so I'd love it if you could be a part of that. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get this box? Are you curious? What was your favorite item? And other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, that is Instagram and Twitter, and Slavic Chic Gaming for Twitch streaming games. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.